Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your system runs Windows 10 or 11 Pro/Enterprise and that CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Once done, open Turn Windows features on or off and clear Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Windows Sandbox. Disable them now to stop the Hyper-V runtime. Then reboot immediately so changes apply. Download the latest Gameloop installer but do not run it yet. You need the system out of Hyper-V mode before attempting installation to avoid the incompatible error. Next, you disable Hyper-V at the boot level so Gameloop can access virtualization directly. First, run an elevated command prompt and enter bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off. That prevents Hyper-V from starting. Then open PowerShell as admin and run Disable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V all to remove feature remnants. Make sure to reboot twice. After the second boot, check Services and Task Manager to confirm Hyper-V and related services are not running. Once verified, you're ready to install Gameloop. Now install Gameloop. Run the installer as administrator and allow any driver or virtualization prompts it needs. If the installer still reports Hyper-V, run system repairs. Open admin command prompt, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, reboot, and retry. If problems persist, return to BIOS to confirm VTX/AMDV is enabled, update chipset and virtualization drivers, or roll back recent Windows updates that re-enabled Hyper-V. This final check resolves most residual incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.